Not all crime is committed out of fate. Sometimes there's fear.
She got
And
her
even
piece.
love. I'm sorry for what I've done. And I'm
in felony non-support of dependents and complicity to theft. We will reconvene on the 21st of the month at 8 a.m. for sentencing.
Look at you still eating that food, girl.
She wake you? Yeah, just. Stopped off, got some real maple syrup. We can heat it up. Smells like a shade tank. Yeah. What do you want croissants, man? I'm hungry. She got you later?
She got in the bag.
You know, the one for
She got her piece
the
out.
secretary and said we could write a letter or make a statement. Yeah, and say what? 30 to life and hard labor? I think I'm gonna pass on that.
She's over here looking at what y'all looking at.
Is that easy for you? You just short it off, drop it right there. No, I mean it.
She wants to get all the way in there.
It's
Just
me
to help her
just
get
to
all
know
the
the
way
whole thing
in.
never happened and deal with it. It sucks, but I'm dealing with it, right?
You got her
Say
in that
that.
little
It's
piece.
nobody's business, man. You know what? I'm so sick and tired of all this.
Oh, God.
Put her in there.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Jim's right behind us.
Just waiting for her.
She's just eating all of
Any
it.
further be coming?
How long was progress?
That's fine. I'm awfully glad you're here, though.
The state of Ohio versus Patrick Tennessee Welch, the Honorable Judge Frost presiding. Mr. Welch, is there anything you wish to say before the court pronounces sentence?